like so very good. It's recommended by the brother behind me.
Okay.
He's saying that all books are the trending books. Yes.
Hello Interstellar, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. I'm Tenzin Young. Today also I'm going to make vlog in English. I hope you all are enjoy and don't forget to like and subscribe, comment. And yeah, today is our manager party in Tibetan saying it's Nyerpa party. We have 3 days of Nyerpa party. Yeah, from today it's start. So now just our worship finished. Today there are 2 type of worship, so that it take a long time. So now I'm going to kitchen because our kitchen is main work room. So let's go to show some video.
Hello guys, sushi beres. Now we are going to make a sushi. So this is the
Now they are going to make suji. It is my favorite dish. It is my second time to make suji. I really love to make this suji, and also I really love to eat this suji. So I helping them. There are so many people to make suji, but I really love to help and enjoy with them. It's very amazing moment. My suji is not become good, so one of senior suggests me and taught me to how to make suji. So I tried to make perfect. So lastly I make 2 perfect suji. So let's see. This is a suji that I made. Kinla Jamba is our manager. She taught Tolkar how to make suji tightly and become perfect. So they are learn with making suji. So it's amazing and wonderful moment to work with senior. It's really give us new lessons, so it's very good for us. So now it is 9:30 and our rice finished. We are waiting for rice cook, and now we are drinking cold drinks. It give us from our manager, and we are also making some funny videos. And so guys, enjoy our video, and I hope you all are like this video. So like, comment, share. Now I came back our kitchen, and kitchen they are making suji. Now just stop because our rice finished, so waiting for rice. Suji is very tasty from our Nanri. Suji is very special. It's my favorite. It's another taste, so it's not just like a restaurant. It's very different and very special, very delicious. I love it, so I help also, and it is my second time to make suji. So I hope you all enjoy my vlog. So let's go to play ground. I think today there are no many childrens because today night we some or just 30 maybe 30 40 around children are coming back from holiday. Now they are preparing for play games. Let's see. Now there is some book. They are selling storybook. What? There is some sir came our Nanri, and they took so many books. And how type? Which type of?
There are a lot of books, and here are some storybooks, fictions, and motivational books here, and we are here to sell all of them. So if anyone interested on these books, and they can come and buy it.
Okay. Look at this. Oh. So many books.
Okay, here you can see the storybooks.
Oh. This summer, ani dunde resha kuzu delada chonga lesha and su chigringi dela shaire sungdura ani de chonga resha ta dela chembo chikena yongsha mare chembo chi ani changma gare gidire
Hindi devyando.
hindi devyandu da hindi ki devyandu daganana hindi nala yam gami ki devyandu gami ki da
उसी लाने की खातिर से
Indian. Tadala de garse de international language lesha ne da como chue ne kazi na jitero chelasya ne de ming dia lesha ne online page lesha kare na chen.
Guys, welcome to my store, my bookshop.
Okay.
These books
You
are
can
like
see there's a lot of books like
self-help books,
students activity
and also
books,
fictional books,
non-fiction, novels, story books.
and these are
and
like
motivational.
these are like so very good. It's recommended by the brother behind me.
Okay.
Saying that all books are the trending books.
Yes,
like
very trending and mysterious books. Yeah,
Oh.
Man without woman, okay?
Okay.
but birthday stories
I'm going to buy this one.
Oh, how much this?
I don't
only
know.
only 250.
250
Yeah.
250.
डिस्काउंट
Okay.
399 MRP है
Here
आफ्टर
is
डिस्काउंट
10 or yeah, 30% discount.
Okay.
मतलब फिर से
Okay,
फिर
भैया
वाला book है
फिर इंग्लिश
अच्छी है।
बिगिनर वालों के लिए कौन सा बुक अच्छा होगा?
motivational on your morning
कुछ रिकमेंड करेंगे
elevate your
भैया?
life.
भैया ने एक बुक रिकमेंड किया वो
हाउ
कौन
मच
सा?
की है फनी स्टोरी
और ये रॉबिन शर्मा का
ये भी अच्छा
जो नया नया इंग्लिश बना सीख रहा हो उसके लिए बुक कौन सा वाला
अच्छा लर्निंग वाला एक सेकंड
कौन सा वाला अच्छा है
Curiosity layer. The narration na to there to show.
So our lunch about to ready to give us. Look at this. This all are our lunch. Hello guys.
Di la kare lagi me comment dia.
Okay.
Min kare lagi me ta.
Okay. Ano mo? Kalilingaling? Kalilingaling? Kalilingaling be. Tudo ki bude? Due.
Like, subscribe and share. दीदी को चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना। बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो।